In one line, can you say what is drop shipment? Whenever you don't have a stock available, then supplier will deliver directly goods to the customer. In case of a back-to-back order, okay, supplier will send goods to our organization. Okay, then our organization people only will deliver goods to the customers. Intermediary, we will receive the goods here. So that's why it's a back-to-back order. Okay, it's a small flow. We can quickly finish this. Will not take hours and hours time, like ISO and all. The first step here also, item creation. Same item we should not use. There are additional setups required for this. Okay, go to inventory, master items. This is the item, and in the same way, like earlier, I will go with the finished good item. There are certain tabs here. Okay. In this, we can go to order management here. There is a ATO here. ATO stands for assemble to order. Assemble to order we have to enable. There are various other terminologies. These are all manufacturing modules terminologies. ATO, then PTO, CTO. Just at this moment, I am telling only abbreviations. Okay. Assemble to order, and this is process to order, and this is configure to order. These are all comes under terminology, comes under certain modules like bills of material. Okay, bills of materials. In this module, you can see all this terminology. Right now, you no need to know what is ATO, PTO, CTO. But we'll use this ATO as a checkbox, and finally we can use CTO, configure to order. Okay. Now go to in the order management tab. There are 4 tabs we'll use regularly in this. In order management, enable ATO. So that we have already done here. Enable. Next here is general planning. In the general planning, we are not making, we are simply buying. So this buy we have to enable. Okay, that is into general planning. To make or buy, we have to take buy. And then purchasing tab, we have to add a buyer here, default buyer. And in the same way, list price also. These 2 we have to enable. These are all setups, really required all this. And then WIP, work in process. This is a separate module actually, like order management, like inventory. WIP is a module. Check. So this built-in WIP checkbox must be enabled. WIP, built-in WIP. Next is in purchasing tab. We have to enable here buyer, then enter price. So overall 4 tabs. I'll revise again one more time. Go to order management here. This is a checkbox. The second one is general planning. Here, make or buy, we have to take buy over here. Then WIP, go to this checkbox, purchasing tab. Purchasing tab, buyer name and list price. These are all the setups. Whenever you do item creation, these are all we have to follow here. Okay. Second one is there are other setups also there, like adding item to the price list, enabling a buyer. So in our notes, there are other steps already there. This is the flow. Assign item to the price list. We have already seen in the normal order to cash cycle. Okay, that is the first step. These tabs I already explained. I'll just download it. While practicing, you just go through this notes. Enough. Step by step, I already mentioned. Videos will take time, lot of time, as I told earlier. If you get a doubt, then only we can go through the video. Yes. Item creation. Then after that, WIP, built-in WIP, list price, make or buy. These are all we have already done. And organization assignment is pending. After that, assign item to the price list. And periods are open for these modules. All periods are open in inventory, purchasing, GL. If you want one time, I will show you the navigation. Okay. Go to, you will have to assign it to organization assignment. Then M1. Okay. The next step is for this item, we have to enable a price. So price always we can go to Oracle Pricing Manager. In the order to cash cycle, we discussed this price list. That is corporate. Here is the place. Your item number. This is a selling price. Whatever you entered 5,000 over there, that is a purchasing price. So let's say I'm selling here for $8,000. Say, okay. And as we talked about periods, you need to open an inventory, accounting close cycle, inventory accounting periods, M1. It's already open for this July month. This is for inventory. So you must know the navigation here. Okay. Second one is periods. One is in inventory. Navigation is what it is. This one. Accounting close cycle, inventory accounting periods. Next is purchasing. It's already open. Okay, I no need to do anything. Then click on this. Go to purchasing. Then operations. Your setup. Financials. Accounting. Then here is the place. control purchasing periods. If period is not open, we will not be able to create a receipt. In our case, we already opened. But whenever you are doing freshly, then definitely you need to go through all this. Click on this control purchasing periods. And your period here is what it is? Yes. July 23. Click on go. It is open. If it is already closed or any not open, you may need to open this. Okay. Now like that for your monthly. Yes, monthly per month it is. Set up financial accounting. This navigation you need to remember. Tell me. Set up financials. Then after that, accounting, control, purchasing period. And in AP module also we have to open AP module, or we can say payables and receivables. Then general ledger. All 5 modules we have in order management not required. Okay. So go to payables here. These are all prerequisites for our flow. Otherwise, you will stuck somewhere. Setup. Check here, control somewhere. Accounting. Yeah, accounting here, not setup. Accounting and then control payable periods. Your ledger name is Vision Operations. So you have to check here, July. It's open already. Control. Accounting, right? Sorry. Accounting, control payable periods. Okay. In the same way, receivables also will check. Go to receivables. Here also same. Control, accounting, open close. Control, accounting, open close periods. It's open. Control. Then after that, you can see here. Accounting. General ledger. So this navigations you have to really remember. Okay. Go to general ledger. Here, setup, open close. You can't find. You can see here, July. Okay, at one shot also we can identify whether the periods are open or not from backend. Right now open. If it is open, then only it will allow you to create a transactions. If it is closed, then we cannot do. Okay. I have a query with me. This is the query. Okay, take this query. With this query, we can find out from backend. No need to go to all those navigations. It's very easy. Setup books ID is 1. And then period names. So we'll have to replace all this. Okay, first what I will do, I'll find it out from one separate query. Okay, later we can combine it. Clear. I just separated out the query. Your period name, July 23. Just check. not giving. 101 is different, right? Let's see the 202. Okay. So this way we can identify. And how about this one? That capital letter. Okay. In July 23, for this particular application ID, it is open status. Okay, it is GL module status. It is. And in the same way for other modules also, only application ID will change. To identify the application IDs, you can go to one table. FND application here, where application name like payables, check 200. And for receivables, different it is. It's 222. Okay. Now to identify the status from backend, there are two tables you have to combine. One is FND application table, other one is GL period statuses. This one. With single query, we can easily fire it. Okay. Everywhere I need to modify this, guys. Like this July 23, we have to modify. And after that, this ampersand is not working over here. Just let me overwrite all those with this hard coded values. Anything we missed? Check. We should not have spaces. With one single query. So these navigations are, of course, front-end navigations, but in the backend, quickly we identified in GL open, PO open, like that it is. This is a quickly we can identify. These are all called as a community queries. You must have all these queries with you, okay, regularly. Otherwise, like navigating between here and there, these are all, it will waste your time. So as of now, we have completed only two steps. One is item creation followed by period checking. Front end as well as back end, we have seen both. Okay, next is what it is. The third also completed, right? Add item to the price. This is also completed. 3 prerequisites completed. Next, you can go to your flow, actual flow it is. The actual flow, you need to start up with the order management. Order returns and sales orders. Go to line items. Your 001. Pre-quantity. This price from where it came because of the price list. Save. You will see the status here entered, as well as order information tab is also entered. Next is booked. Any idea what could be the status at line level? Booked for drop shipment, but this flow is different here. See, this is different. In back-to-back order, you will say a supply eligible. Okay, two steps completed here. One is order entry. Then second one is booking. Now we need to purchase the goods. For purchasing the goods, requisition is created. Before requisition, we have to progress the order. Give a right click. There is a progress order. Click on this. Only it will have a single value. Okay. It is saying here clearly external requisition requested. Header level entered. And line level first time. Then here header level, line level, correct, supply eligible. So now progress order. Header level remains booked only. Then line level, external requisition requested. So we need to create a requisition right now. Okay. And fourth step here is go to your tools. There is option here, scheduling, reservation details, supply tab. So here is the place it should populate all the requisition after creating a requisition. Okay, we'll come back. We'll come back here to check that. Now, the data is progressed to pivot requisition interface tables. We need to run a requisition import program. Next is what it is, requisition import program. How to check a requisition import here? Here only. Requisition import. Import source from which module? Order entry. No, there is a configure to order. Yes, CTO we are. So we are doing here back to back order, right? Configure to order we have to give. Check the requisition import. It is saying here number of requisitions created 1, but we don't know the requisition number, right? So how to identify the requisition number here is, as I said, sales order, line level here. It is reserved already and it is mapped also. Go to line items, tools, scheduling, then reservation details. And here is the place you can see requisition, sorry, supply tab. This is the number. Your system is created requisition and it is attached to your sales order also already. Take this requisition number. Once requisition is created, we have to check the approval also. Is it approved already? You need to verify. It's not showing, is it? Approval status. Yeah, go to summary. Find approved. So once requisition is created as well as approved, with the help of the requisition import, what we are doing? We are creating a requisition followed by an approval. Now we are ready to buy the goods. That's with the help of an option that is purchase order. So how to create a purchase order from a requisition? Yeah, status we'll see now. How to create a purchase order by using auto create. So see the status. line items, your status. External requisition. Earlier it was requested. After creating a requisition, it will be a open here. See, open. Open means created already. After creating a requisition is over. Now to create a PO, we have to use auto create option. Go to auto create available into PO module only, purchasing, then auto create. You have to clear all these details. There is a button here, clear button, requisition number. Find automatic. Create. Incomplete PO. So once it is created a PO, go back and check the status. I'll come back here again, PO. Any idea what will be the status? Line items, external is still there. So after approval only, it will be a PO open. So it is not yet changed as of now. Once we create a PO and once we approve it, PO approval. After approval only, the status will change it to PO open. As of now, it is remains same only. Okay, let's go back to PO. Purchasing, purchase orders, purchase orders. Approve. Once it is approved, okay, I'm verifying again sales order. This flow is little small compared to other flows. Correct. Check the status. PO open. Correct. PO is created. Open means created. After creating a PO, then you will get a goods. PO is means what? Like we are ready to buy the goods. We are ready to buy the goods and we are raising a purchase order through buyer. PO receipt we have to create. For PO receipts, take this 6891. Okay, and one more thing, you can go to tools here. We have not seen this scheduling, reservation details. It is mapped with the PO already. Do you see PO number? This is the PO number only. It's already mapped, assigned. Now PO receipt. This is the final step. Go to receive, purchase order. So I'm not switching every time to other modules. Remember, purchase order. Check the set box. Okay. So once it is created, it has submitted a couple of concurrent programs. What are the program names? Pay and receive, payable open interface. Those are all common. Last time also we have seen that. Now, any idea What could be the status?
Close.
Just see that. Not closed actually, because we just received a goods, right? Closed we cannot see. Once we receive a goods into our warehouse, what will be the next step? That means we have enough quantity available now. If we have enough quantity available, what will be the step here? You can see here, awaiting shipping. So from now onwards, it will go to the normal flow. If you have a awaiting shipping, the next is pick release, shipping, creating invoice. So till we get a goods. Once you get a goods means your stock is increased here. Okay. Awaiting shipping, normal O2C only it will appear, correct? Now onwards, what you have to do? Go to your, yeah, correct. Pick release, shipping, those are all you can do. Go to shipping, release sales order. This actually the back-to-back flow order ends at this particular step only. PO receipt only. PO receipt means you are increasing the quantity. You are receiving the quantity from your supplier. Overall 7 steps approach it is. Only 7 steps.
Like MRI.
Sorry?
Material received.
Material receiving, yes. We received a material. Then after receiving it, then we can pick it and we can pack it and we can send it. Are you okay with this flow? Statuses you have to see majorly. After creating a PO receipt, what will be the next step? Status, line level, correct, awaiting shipping. You need to go the same way while practicing also, step by step. Whenever you are working in a production support, at that time users will stuck at these levels, booking level or purchase order level. They will raise a ticket saying that I am not able to raise a purchase order, or I'm not able to receive the goods, check what went wrong. Then, so as a consultant, what you have to do, you have to go through all this, then only you can fix the issues. Okay. I'm stopping here, guys. Back to back order means if you don't have a quantity, then we'll just buy the goods and we'll put a stock. Then from our warehouse, we'll deliver goods to the customer. In P2P cycle, simply we are purchasing simply. But here what we are doing, purchasing, then putting a stock, then packing it and delivering it. Okay. In case of a purchasing means, whenever we don't have anything, then simply we'll purchase it and we'll use it for our warehouse. Okay. Regular process it is back to back. All flows we'll use in the companies. Till now, what we discussed? Normal O2C. Okay. This is simply selling goods to customer. In case of drop shipment, yes, supplier directly will send it, but bill we only send. And back to back is we will receive goods, then we only will send. Then internal sales order. If you don't have a goods available in one branch, we'll get it from other branch. Yes, one warehouse to other warehouse. On P2P cycle is pending. It will take time because technical components are involved in this. Maybe we'll take Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. 3 days it will take. Okay. So spend more time, guys. It's really required. Nowadays, IT field is difficult. Knowledge is required, not like earlier. Since last 3-4 months, drastic changes are there. And global recession is happening. In our case, there is no recession, but still you can expect a lot of competition from the other programmers, other consultants. You are going to work with the software more than 20 years. Whatever you are learning, the same thing you are going to use it only. You will not face any difficulty in the company, but you have to remember all this sequentially. Anyway, I'm just closing. Guys, do you have any questions online?
No, sir. It's fine.
Morning 20 members. ఎప్పుడైనా ఫిజికల్ ట్రైనింగే బెటర్. చూడండి మీరు నిద్రపోలేరు అసలు. ఇప్పుడు కావ్య నిద్రపోదా, ఇట్లా కొరుకుతాను, ఇటు చూసేటప్పుడు లైఫ్ అలా అనమాట. ఈ క్లాస్ లో ఎవరెవరు స్లీప్ మోడ్కి వెళ్ళారో కూడా చెప్తాను నేను. ఓకే.